got a Coleman Power Steel swimming pool in my backyard. It's only been set up for about 5 days, and I have the pump filter that came with it, or the filter pump, whatever it's called. And I looked in the thing and noticed how dirty the filter looked just after 4 to 5 days. So I think I need to go ahead and take care of that. So I looked up the directions, and this is how you do it. Seems pretty easy. First thing to do is make sure it's turned off. So I'm gonna unplug it and be right back. All right, there. Then I need to go ahead and plug the outlets from the inside so that water doesn't come out. And I'm keeping those inside this waterproof box right here. So let me go ahead and install those. I think before I can plug them though, I gotta take this little lid off of here.
I don't want to get my hair wet.
Just set that right there. There. Now I gotta do the other one. And I'll come right back. Then I'm gonna take this top part off. I've already loosened it a little bit. I don't know if water's gonna come out or not, honestly. Looks like some is. All right, I had to back up because water just kept coming out. So I think the next thing I gotta do is actually lock this. So water's coming. I plugged the other ones, but this one has to be turned off so the water doesn't come out of here and then out through the pump. So there we go. Now it's seems to be okay. There's no water coming out of it. Oh, okay. So there's a little gasket around here too. So I should be able to just slide this out. Look how dirty that is. Good grief. Just after like 4 or 5 days. Man. I'm gonna take it to the water faucet and clean it off.
The man, with painstaking attention to detail, carefully cleans the filter, methodically rinsing between each individual pleat to ensure that every fold receives its fair share of attention.
Well, it's not perfect, but it's way better. It took a little while. I had to try to open up each one of these pleats and get as much as I could out. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it back in the pump and we'll be done. There. Now I can open this back up.
It touched your bubble.
And then I can unplug these stoppers and put those back on there, which I'll do right now. All right, that's done. So I'm gonna put these back in here for safekeeping and then turn this back on. I'll just leave it on, let's put it on 10 hours. Let it run for 10 hours while the kids are swimming. And that'll be it. Put this top back on here. Waterproof. Good to go. That wasn't too bad.